What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you a new video. So I'm gonna be playing with my friend LS Swagger, and make sure you go subscribe to him. So yeah, he's gonna make the party, I'm gonna put the code in. So yeah. Oh yes sir, he said Alright guys, I'm gonna be telling you the code right now. The code is US 46 CE. Okay. As you guys already know, I did show you how I play the game, so you will see I am better at the game. Okay. Whoa. Do you guys see how my screen is lagging? As you guys know, he can't hear me and I can't hear him, so we both muted our mics on Discord. So yeah. Oh, he hit me. He hit me. Oh, guys, I'm dead. Oh, guys, he killed me. Guys, I'm gonna be going on Fortnite. I'll be live today soon. Just a reminder, go follow my Twitch. It's Frozen Fishy 1, and also gonna be live on Fortnite today, guys. So yeah, remember that. I'm gonna be playing with my friend Joel, and maybe LS Swagger if he does play. Probably won't, but yeah. Oh, guys, I'm gonna be playing competitive league today. Just letting you know that. Whoa, do you guys see my screen is all glitchy for a sec? Guys, make sure you don't go follow my friend's Twitch. I'm joking, guys. Make sure you guys go follow his Twitch. His Twitch is 1v1.lol. Alright guys, I'm going to be going playing one round of competitive Link, then I'm going to end this video for today. Alright guys, I'm going on box competitive, and then after this I'm going to be getting off. Oh my gosh, guys. Whoa. Do you guys see how sweaty this guy is? Alright guys, I'm going to be playing Battle Royale, then this video will end. Alright guys, we got an ad. But let's skip this ad for just in case I get copyrighted. Alright. I think my teammate just died, guys. Alright guys, I'm going to be ending this video. You see my screen is really laggy. Like today is a really laggy day. Alright guys, make sure you guys leave a sub and put on notifications and for you don't miss any of my videos, and leave a like and comment what games you like in the comments below. Make sure you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.